Good morning, children. Today's topic is statistics. You know statistics. In 9th standard, you learned about statistics. It is a branch of science, deals with the collection, interpretation and analyzing of numerical data. Numerical representatives of the data, ungrouped data are also called measures of central tendency. The important measures of central tendency are mean, median and mode. Today we are going to study mean. What is mean? Mean or another name average. Mean or average is the sum of all observations divided by total number of observations. If x1, x2, etc. xn are the observations and n is the total number of observation, then x bar, mean x bar is equal to sigma I is equal to 1 to n xi divided by sigma n is the mean of the given score. x1, x2, etc. xn are the observation, then mean is equal to sum of all observations by total number of observations. Then you learned about to find the mean of a grouped data, that is, if f1, f2, etc. fn are the corresponding frequencies and x1, x2, etc. xn are the observations, then mean of a grouped data is equal to f1 x1 plus f2 x2 plus etc. fn xn whole divided by f1 plus f2 plus etc. fn, that is equal to sigma I is equal to 1 to n fi xi divided by sigma I is equal to 1 to n fi. This is the mean of ungrouped data. In your text, there are three methods of finding mean. One is direct method, second one is assumed mean method, and third one is step deviation method. But step deviation method is deleted portion this year. So, we have to study only two methods, direct method and assumed mean method. For direct method, mean x bar is equal to sigma I is equal to 1 to n fi xi divided by sigma I is equal to 1 to n fi. And assumed mean method, mean x bar is equal to a plus d bar, where d bar is equal to sigma I is equal to 1 to n fi di by sigma fi. Look at the board. Direct method mean formula is sigma I is equal to 1 to n fi xi by sigma I is equal to 1 to n fi. And assumed mean method, x bar is equal to a plus d bar, where d bar is equal to sigma I is equal to 1 to n fi di by sigma I is equal to 1 to n fi. Now, first one, using direct method, find the mean. Find the mean of the following distribution. Mean of the following distribution using direct method. Question: class interval, number of students, these are the two columns. First, class interval 10-25, 25-40, 40-55, 55-70, 70-85, 85-100, and 2 number of students 2, 3, 7, 6, 6, 6 is this is the question. The question will be given in the horizontal way, not this vertical way in your question paper, in the horizontal way. Now for calculating, we write this in the vertical way. This is the question. Class interval and number of students, we take it as fi, and next column is class mark class mark, another xi, or mid value, class mark or mid value xi. To find the mid value, we use 10 plus 25 by 2 is equal to 10 plus 25, 35 by 2 is equal to 17.5. First one, 17.5. Next, 25 plus 40 by 2. 25 plus 40, 65 by 2 is 32.5. 32.5. Next one, 40 plus 55 by 2 is equal to 95 by 2. 95 by 2 is 47.5. 47.5. Next, another, we always do this like 40 plus 55 by 2, 55 plus 70 by 2, 70 plus 85 by 2, 85 plus 100 by 2. We write this. Another method is here 47.5. What is the difference between 10 and 25? 15. The difference between 25 and 40 is 15. These two are also 15. We add first 17 point. First we plus these two by 2. 10 plus 25 by 2 is 17.5. And this difference is 15. So we add 15 to each. 17.5 plus 15 is 32.5. 32.5 plus 15 is 47.5. 47.5 plus 15 is 62.5. 62.5 plus 15 is 77.5. 77.5 plus 15 is 92.5. Or another way is 85 plus 100 by 2, 92.5. 70 plus 85 by 2, 77.5. 55 plus 70 by 2, 62.5. For easy method, we find first one. First one is 10 plus 25 by 2 is 17.5. Then the difference between upper limit and lower limit is 15. So we add 15 to each number. 17.5 plus 15, 32.5. 32.5 plus 15, 47.5. Plus 15, 62.5. Plus 15, 77.5. Plus 15, 92.5. Next one, Fi xi. Our formula is sigma I is equal to 1 to n Fi xi by sigma I is equal to 1 to n Fi. So next step, Fi into xi. What is Fi? 2 into 17.5 is equal to 35. Then 32.5 into 3 is equal to 32. 3 into 32.5 is equal to 32.5 into 3. 97.5. Next one, 7 into 47.5. 47.5 into 7. 332.5. 332.5. Next 6 into 62.5. 6 into 62.5 is 375. Then 6 into 77.5. 6 into 77.5 is 465.0. Then 6 into 92.5 is equal to 555.0. Now sigma I is equal to 1 to n Fi xi. Sigma Fi xi. We add this 0, 1 balance, 3 balance, 6, 8, 1008. 860.0. Then what is sigma Fi? Sigma Fi is equal to 2 plus 3, 5 plus 7, 12, 18, 24, 30. Sigma Fi is equal to 30. These are the columns. First one, these two are the given question. Then class interval, then Fi, Xi. Then sum of sigma Fi, Xi and sum of sigma Fi means frequency. Now, our formula is direct method. X bar is equal to sigma Fi Xi divided by sigma I is equal to 1 to n Fi Xi divided by sigma I is equal to 1 to n Fi is equal to, what is Fi Xi? 1860. 1860 divided by sigma Fi 30. 0, 0 cancelled. 186 by 3. 62 is the answer. Mean is equal to 62 using direct method. Now, our second method is assumed mean method. The same question, do the next same question in the assumed mean method. For that, question is find the mean of the following distribution using assumed mean method. In question given only 2 columns. Then third one, class mark Xi, we calculate the third column. Then next, assumed mean method. Assumed mean method. X bar is equal to A plus D bar, where A is the assumed mean and D bar is equal to sigma I is equal to 1 to n Fi di by sigma I is equal to 1 to n Fi. Now, this is Xi. Next column. Here these are the Xi's. We assume any one of these is the median. Both middlemost. We always take the middlemost. Here the middlemost are 2 middlemost. So I take A. This is the assumed mean. Then Di, this column is Di is equal to Xi minus A. Means Xi is the class mark and A 47.5 is the assumed mean. Then for Di, next column Di is equal to Xi minus A. Xi is the 17.5, 32, but these are all Xi's. So Xi minus A, 17.5 minus A, assumed mean is 47. We can take any number for assumed mean. We always take the middlemost numbers. 17.5 minus 47.5 is equal to minus 30. Next, 32.5 minus 47.5 is equal to minus 15. Next, 47.5 minus 47.5 equals 0. Next one, 62.5 minus 47.5 equals 15. 77.5 minus 47.5 is equal to 30. Next, 92.5 minus 47.5 is equal to 45. Next step, Fi di. Fi, these are di and Fi is this column. 2 into minus 30. 2 into minus 30 is equal to minus 60. Next, 3 into minus 15 is equal to minus 45. Next, 7 into 0 is equal to 0. Next, 6 into 15 is equal to 90. 6 into 30 is equal to 180. Then 6 into 45. 6 into 45 is equal to 270. Here, next step is sigma fi dA. Sigma fi dA, sigma means sum. We sum this. Here we have negative numbers and positive numbers. First we add the negative numbers. Here minus 105 and the positive numbers are 90, 180, 90, 180, 270. This is equal to, the total is 540. Then equals minus 105 plus 540 is equal to sigma fi dA is equal to 435. 540 minus 105 is 435. Now our formula is x bar is equal to a plus d bar, where d bar is equal to sigma I is equal to 1 to n fi dI by sigma I is equal to 1 to n whole divided by sigma I is equal to 1 to n fi is equal to, what is fi dI? 435 by 30. Division 435 division 30. First 1 time 30, remainder 13, 135, 4 times 125, 0.50, 5 times 150. So this is equal to 14.5. Now next step, x bar is equal to a plus d bar. What is our a? 47.5 plus d bar is 14.5. 14.5 plus 47.5. 10, 12, 62. So 62 is the answer. In the direct method, the same question, direct method mean is 62 and assumed mean method also mean is equal to 62. Same value. Now homework 14.1, all questions except 3. 14.1, all questions except third question. Thank you.